welcome to Crafty Little Things. It's been a long time, but here I am back again. I've taken some time off. I had a bit of a holiday in my hometown. We've had visitors and it's been lovely to play the tourist and enjoy the weather, and it was much needed. So, as you know, I'm resigning as a Stampin' Up demonstrator, and this is my last Stampin' Up haul before I resign. I wanted to get some bits and bobs for customers and also for myself, because although I'm retiring from as a demo, I'm obviously still going to be using Stampin' Up products. I am going to sell off a lot of my current stock. I sold off a lot of my retired stock just because I'm not going to get a chance to use everything. So this is one of the first things I got. The only reason I'm resigning as a Stampin' Up demonstrator, I haven't got a big dramatic story like some people do. It's just because I haven't got time to do it anymore. So that's it, simple as that. And because I haven't got time, I can't keep up with things. You know, it's really difficult to keep up with all the new catalogues, new products and everything if you haven't got time really to do a lot of crafting yourself. So this paper is Pressed Petals. This is one I was waiting for. There was a couple that I had to wait for, and this looks really pretty. Oh, very pretty. Look at that. That's right up my street. Oh, look at that on the back. Beautiful. Oh, I like that. I love the texture of this paper as well. Oh, that colour is just... I'm trying to decide which... I don't want to keep all of my ink pads because I'm trying to condense down into like a capsule craft kit. And I'm trying to decide which ink colours to keep because there's some that I use a lot, like Melon Mambo. I think I use that every day, so I think that's one that I'm going to be keeping. A couple of greens. I'm not going to keep them all, I'm going to sell most of them. But I'll probably keep the latest ink colours, last year's ink colours. And I'll probably keep like a couple of pinks, a couple of greens, a couple of blues, something like that. So the papers might persuade me. Oh, look at that musical note paper, that's gorgeous. And those leaves, beautiful. Oh my goodness, Night of Navy is definitely staying. I've already decided. An Old Olive, I couldn't get rid of Old Olive. How could I get rid of Old Olive? Beautiful colour. Oh look. Yeah, I'll keep it a couple of nice yellows. But I don't use hardly any of my inks, to be honest. So they may as well go to somebody who will use them. So that's beautiful. That's the first thing in my final Stampin' Up order. This is Noble Peacock, the Speciality DSP. And if you're not sure what the difference is, Speciality DSPs are often foiled. They have something special about them. And this is no exception. My goodness. Look at that. I'm not sure which blue that is, but that blue's staying for sure. That is just gorgeous. You've got 4 sheets of that. It's single-sided because it's foiled. It's more like cardstock. It's very heavy. Look at that. Is that Bermuda Bay? I've actually got 2 Bermuda Bay inks, so I will get rid of one and keep one. I've got the new style and the old style. I'll probably get rid of the new style one. That's gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. Look at this one. Gorgeous. Very, very nice. Very nice indeed. So that's that paper. And then there's foils to go with this paper, to go with this suite. So, you know, we're talking some proper posh stuff going on there, because there's the foils to go with the foiled papers. So, very nice. Then we have, these are the foil sheets actually, the Noble Peacock foiled sheet. Look at those. Now there's something special. They're absolutely beautiful. You've got the lemon lime twist. Let me just see if it tells what colours are. Nah. I hate that it doesn't tell you what the colours are. It will in the catalogue, but I can't bother to get the catalogue out. Lemon lime twist. That's probably Bermuda Bay, is it? And I don't know if that's night and navy. I don't think it is. I think it's too... It's not the right blue. Maybe it is. I should have got the catalogue out really. But how pretty is that? There's not been a paper out of the new catalogue that I haven't liked yet. Here's the Dinosaur Roar, I think this one's called. Or Dino Roar or something. Dino Roar DSP. It's a playful sort of children's one, I guess. Oh, I've got to make a children's card as well, so I'm going to treat myself this week and make a few cards. That's beautiful. I love the colours in that. Oh, that's so cute. Look how cute that is, the little eggs there. It's beautiful. Oh, it's really nice paper. Really fun. Yeah, I like that. Probably won't use very much of it, but like it. Very nice. There. And then the next one is See a Silhouette. This one's called See a Silhouette. Very bold patterns. Oh, look at that. Very bold ink. Use of ink. Oh, wow. It might be a little bit too bold for me. But then again, I've learned to never say never. Because sometimes that's gorgeous. I've seen that used and I thought she'd stamp that herself. That's brilliant. Love it. Very nice. I'm sure I'll find a use for that. And if I don't, then I'll sell it when I'm at the stash sale. I got some extra thick Whisper White while I still could. And then I got some of the Inkcolor DSP. I got this is the 2018-20 Inkcolor DSP. So this is the, do you know what, I can't even remember what these colours are called. Is it Blueberry Crush and Blueberry Bushel, Call Me Clover, Grapefruit Grove, Lovely Lipstick and Pineapple Punch. There, you've got the gingham. I think I've shown you those before in the current ink colours. I got those. These are in the neutrals, the same again. So that's in all the neutral colours. Same again, you've got those different, 4 little different designs. And then I've got them in the Regals, and I've got them in the Subtles, and I've got them in the Brights. And now I've got all the DSPs now that I was waiting for in the new range. And now I've got all the ribbons too, because these have arrived. This is the Old Olive and Pretty Peacock reversible, I guess. Have a look. think it was a reversible ribbon. Oh yeah, look at that, that's lovely. So you've got the old olive and the pretty peacock on one side. And then this ribbon is just a denim ribbon. This one is a purple violet. It's got lots of the different purples through it. I think that's the purple posy through to gorgeous grape. And then this beautiful ribbon, which is Rococo Rose with a gold ruched through the middle. And then these were a couple of things for one of my customers, which was the Blackberry Bliss stamp pad and this gorgeous Floral Essences stamp set, which I forgot were even in this order. I've waited that long for it. So yeah, so that's a pretty one, isn't it? There we go. I'm just wondering why it's new having these stamps on. Very nice. So that's my little haul, and that's my last ever Stampin' Up purchase as a demonstrator. I will still be buying Stampin' Up things. I'm going to spread my love and purchase from other demos when I do want to buy something. So I'm not going to never buy Stampin' Up again. I have nothing against the brand. I have nothing against the products. I just don't have time to be a demonstrator anymore. So I'm already struggling and I haven't even started my new job yet. Look, I've got such a much more busy life here since I moved house. So, and I really want to spend some more time crocheting, because crochet is my first love. Yeah, so everything's going to go up for sale. This is one of my little things. I'm just giving everything a bit of a clean, so everything's a bit grubby. And balloon punch, and I'm not too sure about my pretty label punch. Will I keep it? Will it go? I don't know. Might keep that. I don't know about that one. I might keep. No, that's my scallop tag topper punch. Might keep that one, but all of the others I think are going. I don't think I'm going to keep many. Okay, so watch out for that, because that's going to be happening soon on my Crafty Little Paper Things site. In fact, sorry about the shadows, I've got blinds open, so it's reflecting a lot. In fact, there's going to be a bit of a change around in my social media. I'm going to get rid of my website, carry on with my craft blog, but it'll be not just paper craft focused blog. And then I'm going to, my Crafty Little Paper Things Facebook page will become Crafty Little Things Facebook page, so it'll be all different types of craft, not just paper craft. Yeah, and that's how it's going to run. So I'm in the process of, eagle-eyed people will have noticed some changes already. So I'm in the process of just changing all of that. Crikey, this is awful. So I'm going to go now, and thank you for joining me, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye bye.